Leather appointments in the S-Class. If you want to have fewer creases on the seats, there is now a solution. All seat variants can now be retrofitted with a mat which tightens the leather and smooths out most of the creases. On the driver's seat, for example, the mat is retrofitted as follows. Remove the driver's seat. The seat surface is creased. A plastic mat will be placed under the leather to smooth out the creases. Disassemble the removed seat so that the seat cushion can be taken off. Pull the leather cover off from around the seat surface at the side and from the seat cushion. The cover is stretched over the seat surface by 14 plastic hooks. Use a screwdriver to push the hooks to one side in order to detach the cover, which is held taut by wires. Start at the side of the seat surface and work from hook to hook. When the wire on one side has been detached, proceed to the other side. Work carefully so that the hooks do not break. When all the hooks at the sides are undone, the tensioning wires can be pulled out of the guide sleeves. Take care not to damage the fabric with the ends of the wire. Fold back the leather flap at the front. Here are the hooks that hold the front edge of the cover on the seat cushion. Detach all the hooks on the front edge. Then undo the remaining hooks on the rear edge of the cover. The cover can now be removed. On models with seat heater, please note, push the cables through the hole in the bolster. The seat bolster is bare. Place the mat on top with the honeycomb pattern uppermost. Attach one of the holes halfway along the edge of the mat to the corresponding hook. Fold the mat over in the middle and mark the position of the slot for the seat heater cable. Use a carpet knife to cut a slot in the mat. Check that the slot lies exactly over the hole for the cable. Attach each hole in the mat to the corresponding hook. The mat should lie tight against the bolster and should not be creased. Cut slits at the rear corners of the mat so that they can be pushed cleanly onto the side bolster. Flatten the mat with your hands to make sure that there are no creases. The leather cover is reinstalled on the seat bolster. push the seat heater cable through the slot in the mat and through the seat cushion. Starting at the rear edge, press the wire back into the hooks. When the cover is fixed at the back, the front edge can be clipped in. The tensioning wires previously removed are pushed back into the guide sleeves at the sides. The wires have a slight kink near the front slot in the leather. This allows the cover to be fastened to the front part of the seat surface. Again, push the wires into the hooks. Note: always make sure that the mat is attached to the hook at the same time. When all four sides have been refastened, turn the side flaps of the leather cover back down around the seat cushion. There are no more creases on the seat surface. The seat cushion is reinstalled on the frame. Turn the frame and seat cushion upside down to facilitate access to the leather flap at the edge of the seat. Check that the seat cushion is correctly positioned on the frame. The flap must be tucked into the retainers all round, with patience and a little effort. Reassemble the entire seat in the reverse order. The leather seat can now be reinstalled in the vehicle. The seat surface is smooth,